Hello, good morning, all the students. Today, already your guides, corresponding guides, will be giving you how to move with your project work. During this pandemic time, every engineering college, Department of Mechanical Engineering, the project work by the students as well as by the guides is a challenge. Based on the situation and based on the KTU circular, you have to fulfill the academic requirement. For that, we are giving some guidelines. Draft copy preparation, you have to include introduction chapter that is possible during this lockdown time also by referring your materials, discussing with your guides what title you have selected, what area you have selected, just introduce one or two page. Then objective also possible to include in the draft copy. Aim of the project work that is under discussion. Either you can make your own sentence or you can consult with your guides. So at least one page or hardly 1 or 1.5 page. Literature review by Google. You can search some international journals, maximum one or two, not more than that. What they are explaining in your title. Already you have selected one title and area for your project work. In that area, what other people has done, that area you have to brief again 2-3 pages you have to explain. If it is more than two literatures, if it is only two literature, you can include by 2 pages. So literatures very important, because then only you can tell that your work selected is good. That is why we are writing the literature review. Methodology means you can, by discussing with the guide, you have to explain 1 page or 2 page what is the method by your own sentence. So all the items number 1, 2, 3, 4, even the lockdown period, only the problem is your net connectivity and your computer. Unless otherwise it is not a tension, you have to prepare. Number 5, theory and formulation. For every work, theory is the background. What theory you have adopted, why you are selected that title, what is the reason for selecting that fabrication or case study or design, etc. is be including under the theory chapter. So number 5 chapter is the theory and formulation. Suppose it's a new work, you can derive some equations, all the things you can include by properly arranging, or you can simply explain the theoretical concept that is needed. So that is also not depending upon the lockdown situation. So theory and formulation without making complication, without making extra tension or on your mind, with the help of your guide, 1 page or 2 page anyway you fabricate. Number 6 is design or software. Suppose everything is pending only because of lockdown and COVID. Suppose almost all of us selected fabrication project, I know that, but still for that if some design is required or software area, if you are doing some work, those things you can simply present in the sixth chapter number 6. Number of page you decide, whatever may be the page, you include some design portions, software procedure, at least design procedures. Even though you are directly designing the numerical design equation, numerical calculation along with the design equations. So number 7, that is only procedure. That is the area where we are pending all the mechanical engineering students in all the engineering colleges. Case study or survey, one area. Case study or survey, maybe some typical projects. Otherwise fabrication or assembly type of project works. All the things are case study, you cannot go outside the site. Survey you cannot conduct. Fabrication you cannot do at workshop, outside workshop, or in college workshop also fabrication not possible. Assembly also not possible. So number 7 is not possible. But what you have to do is, what is the procedure for adopted case study or survey or fabrication assembly? You write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 procedure step by step. Which workshop, what way, how many days, what are the steps, etc. You have to demonstrate. Number 8, definitely the project is incomplete. Everybody knows that. Pending works, suppose fabrication or assembly, case study, survey. Case study where, why, survey where, what are the output, fabrication, what is the machine component, assembly, how to do that. These pending works, you have to clearly establish in number 8 chapter. This much you prepare in draft copy, and then with the staff members, the department, you can clearly locate what work you are intended to do, what is the background work you are done, what is the pending work which is not able to complete. Final project work report also same. Introduction you have to include, I explained. Objectives I explained. You have to include. Literature review you have to include. Methodology you have to include. Theory and formulation. If you are developing some theory, you have to include. Design software, if it's a design project, you have to include. Case study, survey, fabrication, assembly, depending upon the situation of the condition of your project work, only procedure you have to explain. Pending works you have to explain. Therefore, number 9 chapter coming in the final project work report. Results expected. Normally you have to get a result. Suppose it is your fabrication work, fabrication is completed, that is the result. Suppose it is an experimental project, you have to do 1 or 2 trial of experiment. That experimental result is the result. Suppose it is a case study, you have to tell that case study completed and survey completed. That is the for what reason you are completed the case study, that is the result. Any project work result will be there. So based on the result, you have to result expected. Here there is no conclusion. That conclusion you have to argue based on the result expected. The project work overall for the academic requirement you have concluded. That's the sentence you have to write. But no conclusion not based on the result, that you have to write. Reference, anyway you write 1 or 2 good textbooks or website address as a reference for your project work. General guide note: the guidelines for the preparation of project report may be changed slightly as per the KTU circular update issued time to time based on present COVID situation whenever necessary. However, all the students has to fulfill the academic requirement for the project work within the limitation without taking extra mental tension during this pandemic time. For any clarification, students can get help from the department. So please remember, these are all general guidelines. Suppose we are not giving general guidelines, never you will complete the fulfillment of the academic. So for the academic requirement, as a one paper, a project work is given as one paper. For that, definitely whatever possible you have to produce in the first in the draft copy, then in the final copy. The exact format based on the KTU circular and based on the college academic council, we will inform you later. But once you prepare the draft copy and once you prepare moving to the final copy structure, there will not be any strain for you in the June 2nd week compared to other branch of students. Suppose you will be 100% safe. Suppose you complete the draft copy by June 7 and suppose you complete the structure almost by June 17th, compared to other branch of students, we are very sure that mechanical students will be absolutely free from the mind or mental tension. That is the objective we have for you, not to disturb you or not to make extra tension, not to give additional work. But this is essential. At the same time, this is essential for the fulfillment of the academic requirement for the KTU. Some report you have to submit anyway. Simply 1 page or 2 page never you can submit. That's why whatever possible you are preparing, whatever not possible you are producing in the chapter, some other chapter as pending works. Based on that you are commenting your result and conclusion. That is the plan we made, Department of Mechanical Engineering. You have to cooperate without making extra tension. All the time any staff member will help you, your guide will help you, HOD will help you, and you need not discuss with these matters with other branch of students. Let them do whatever they want. This is the structure without any extra tension and extra strain and extra pressure. Anyway, you prepare some copy and submit to the department by online. And full flexibility will be there. Suppose you are facing net connectivity problem or some problem or health problem, even COVID problem, all the support will be there from the staff members. You need not take an extra strain. Suppose due to genuine reasons, suppose you are not able to do as per the guidelines, we will help you, don't worry. And possible students definitely go through these guidelines, whatever possible. With the help of your guide, prepare some report and submit online. That is the intention we have. Everything is positive, nothing is negative there. Suppose you have some, I think there will not be any problem for you. So, and date for submission of draft copy, make it June 7. Date for submission online final copy June 17. Because as per KTU latest information, they're telling that 22 onwards the examination is coming. Therefore, project work also there will be some viva questions. Based on this report only, we can ask some questions you have to perform. That's why the preparation is very important, and the dates are mentioned here from the department like this. Suppose you follow this method, you will be absolutely free from the tension related to the project work. Suppose you are not following, also it is left to you, but never we can during the viva and report area. Suppose the KTU they will issue the latest next circular. Based on that, suppose they insist some sharp rules, the students will be in problem. In order to save those sharp rules only, we are perfectly giving you the guidelines. If you cooperate, you will be absolutely free from tension, and the faculty members also will be absolutely free from the tension. Everything will be smooth. So slowly you prepare this, move to go ahead with this submission. Whatever possible area I have located in the form of chapters, whatever not possible also we have clearly located, and whatever confusion, tension, overpressure, etc. available, you have your staff members. So cooperate. Thank you.